AI-powered faculty development program aimed at enhancing teaching, research, and leadership skills among educators in Pakistani academic institutions. Organized by Ghulam Farooque, an AI technologist and educational innovator, the workshop series seeks to prepare future-ready educators through transformative training. The program emphasizes excellence in pedagogy, research, and institutional leadership, leveraging AI tools and methodologies. This initiative reflects a commitment to advancing education by integrating cutting-edge technology and fostering innovation in faculty development across Pakistan. Meet your AI education expert. Ghulam Farooque is a distinguished AI education expert, known for seamlessly blending academic excellence, industry leadership, and digital innovation. A fellow in artificial intelligence from B.A.T.H University, UK, he also holds a master's in GPT and a diploma in AI from F.E.D.E, UK. Since the inception of Israel University in 1997, he has been a foundational figure and is presently associated with the Dean of the Faculty of Engineering, Science, and Technology. With a deep commitment to advancing medical education and research, he plays a pivotal role in integrating AI-driven methodologies into healthcare learning environments. Ghulam Farooque is frequently invited as a special guest on prominent television networks, where he shares insights on the revolutionary role of artificial intelligence in medical and higher education. His appearances span national and regional TV channels, including morning shows, educational segments, and expert panels, where he discusses the future of AI in academia, health sciences, and professional development. His media presence has helped raise widespread awareness about the practical integration of AI into everyday learning and healthcare systems. His structured approach and strategic vision continue to inspire transformative changes across academia, digital platforms, and technology-driven education, transforming Pakistani academia, outlining a twofold vision for educational reform. The first pillar, bridging educational gaps, emphasizes integrating AI tools into traditional teaching and research to modernize faculty capabilities. The second, nationwide impact, highlights commitment to inclusivity, reaching institutions across Pakistan with targeted outreach to underserved and remote areas to democratize access to cutting-edge training. The design is clean and mission-driven, using bold headings to underscore the program's dual focus on innovation and equity. It reflects a strategic effort to future-proof Pakistan's academic landscape through AI-powered faculty development. Why join this revolutionary program? The content outlines key advantages. 1. Impactful research. Participants will learn to leverage AI tools to design, conduct, and enhance academic research. 2. Work automation. The program teaches how to streamline administrative and repetitive tasks, boosting productivity. 3. AI-assisted publishing. Faculty will gain skills to write, refine, and publish papers in high-impact journals using AI. 4. Modern teaching. Educators will explore cutting-edge AI applications to create dynamic, tech-enabled classrooms. This program positions itself as essential for academics seeking to future-proof their skills in Pakistan's evolving educational landscape. AI-driven focus areas for academic transformation, showcasing 3 key pillars of innovation. 1. Research excellence, leveraging AI for literature reviews, data analysis, and hypothesis generation to accelerate discovery and innovation. 2. Teaching innovation, integrating intelligent edtech tools to create personalized learning pathways and automated assessments, fostering dynamic student engagement. 3. Academic productivity, utilizing AI for workflow automation, smart scheduling, and administrative efficiency, freeing up time for teaching and research. The design is clear and goal-oriented, with bold headings and concise descriptions highlighting practical AI applications tailored for educators. This framework positions the program as a comprehensive solution for modernizing academia, from cutting-edge research to classroom efficiency. Word count 100. Want more details or a different emphasis? Let me know. Strategic roadmap for transforming Pakistani higher education through AI integration, emphasizing measurable outcomes across 3 tiers. 1. Faculty development. Research revolution. AI tools streamline literature reviews, data analysis, and manuscript drafting, enabling faculty to meet HEC's rigorous promotion criteria, e.g. high-impact publications. Skill modernization. Workshops on AI-assisted grant writing and collaborative research bridge the gap between traditional methods and global academic trends. Career advancement. By boosting productivity, educators gain a competitive edge in promotions, leadership roles, and international collaborations. 2. Institutional growth. Accreditation edge. AI-driven curriculum design and outcome assessment tools help institutions comply with national, HEC, and international accreditation standards. Resource optimization. Automated administrative systems, e.g., enrollment tracking, plagiarism checks, reduce costs and improve operational efficiency. Reputation building. Universities leveraging AI attract partnerships, funding, and top-tier talent, enhancing their academic and research profiles. 3. Educational ecosystem. Equity and access. Tailored AI training for rural and small city universities reduces urban-rural divides, ensuring inclusive participation in the digital education revolution. Collaborative networks. Shared AI platforms and inter-institutional research hubs foster knowledge exchange, particularly benefiting under-resourced regions. Policy influence. Success stories from pilot programs can inform national education policies, scaling AI adoption across Pakistan's 200-plus universities. Impact. This vision not only future-proofs academia, but also addresses Pakistan's unique challenges, from faculty retention to institutional sustainability. AI workshop outcomes. From immediate gains to lasting impact. 3-tiered results framework for an AI faculty development program, demonstrating tangible benefits at every level. 1. Immediate implementation, 0 to 3 months. Research jumpstart. Faculty will leave with active AI-assisted research projects. Submission-ready manuscripts using tools like PaperPal and Overleaf AI. Teaching transformation. Deployable AI engagement tactics, e.g., ChatGPT for personalized quizzes. HEC-aligned output tracking dashboards. 2. Enhanced teaching, 6 to 12 months. Measurable classroom impact. 40% plus student engagement boost via AI analytics. Automated grading freeing 10-plus weekly hours. Career acceleration. AI-optimized promotion portfolios meeting HEC criteria. 3. Long-term growth 1 to 3 years. Institutional prestige. 25% increase in publications driving NAC/MBA accreditation. National collaboration. AI-powered research consortia linking rural/urban universities. Shared digital infrastructure, e.g., Pakistan's first AI peer review network. Pakistan-specific edge. Directly addresses HEC's 2025 digital learning mandate. Includes order language AI training modules for rural faculty. Transform your faculty and institution. We invite accredited Pakistani universities, colleges, and degree-awarding institutions to experience our completely free faculty development workshop offering. Flexible formats. Choose from 2 to 5 hour modular sessions or intensive full-day training. Practical AI skills. Hands-on training and research automation. Smart teaching tools, and institutional growth strategies. Limited availability. Contact us now to secure your workshop. Email itoldpoor@gmail.com or farooquewahider76@gmail.com. WhatsApp 0092 301 357 2233 or 303 034 1737.